In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily show or hide subject field on Messages application on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, let's take a look how we can create a message. So basically all we have to do is just tap at that icon, and then we'll be able to enter some text here. As you can see, now it is showing me the subject. That is not default feature. By default, it is not showing that field here. And now I'm gonna show you how you can easily turn it on or off. Basically, guys, all you have to do is just head over to settings. After that, scroll down and get into messages settings. And if you scroll down a bit, you can easily find that option which is called show subject field. By default, it is turned off, and we can turn it on or off by toggling on or off that switcher. After that, if we go back here in messages, we can find out that now it is no longer showing a subject text field. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.